Welcome to Wholes, the ultimate wholesale solution for WooCommerce. Looking to manage wholesale pricing and create a fully featured B2B store. In this video, we'll explore the key settings and features of Wholes, including how to configure your registration page, set wholesale prices for different customer roles, and control product visibility. We'll also show you a quick demo of how wholesalers can register and how admins can manage those requests. Let's get started. First, let's install the free version of the Wholes plugin directly from WordPress repository. To get started, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type Wholes and hit Enter. When the plugin appears, click Install Now, and once the installation is complete, click Activate Plugin. Now that the free version is active, let's move on to the Pro version to unlock advanced features. Go back to Plugins, Add New, and click on Upload Plugin. Choose the Pro plugin file that you downloaded and click Install Now. Once the installation finishes, click Activate Plugin. Finally, activate your license to get access to regular updates and premium support. And that's it! You're now ready to use the full power of the Wholes plugin for your WooCommerce store. In the general settings, you'll find options to set up how wholesale pricing works. Under Wholesaler Type Setup, you can choose between Single Role, a fixed wholesale price for all wholesale customers, Multiple Role, different price tiers for various types of wholesalers. You can also control wholesale price visibility with these modes: Testing Mode, Public Mode, and Private Mode. Wholesaler roles allow you to assign different pricing tiers. To create a new role, navigate to the Wholesaler Roles menu. Click Add New Role and customize it according to your business needs. Now, let's explore how to set wholesale prices for individual products. Go to Products, edit Product, and scroll down to the Product Data section. Under the General tab, you'll see the Wholesale Price for option. Here, you can set different prices and minimum quantities for each wholesaler role. For example, the Silver Roll has a price of $38 with a minimum quantity of 10, while the Gold Roll has a price of $35 with a minimum quantity of 15. You can add more pricing for additional roles by clicking Add Pricing for another role. These options give you the flexibility to assign custom pricing for each role. Now, let's set up the wholesaler registration process. Go to the Registration and Login menu in the Wholes Settings panel. Select a page for the registration form and choose a default wholesaler role. This role will be assigned to all new registrations. In the form settings, you'll find options to customize the Submit button label, set a successful registration message, and define redirect URLs for after registration and login. If you want to add more security, you can enable reCAPTCHA to protect your registration form from spam. The Fields Manager allows you to manage and customize the fields on your registration form. You can modify default fields like name, email, or password, and even add custom fields to collect additional information. For example, if you want to add a VAT ID field, it's very simple. I'll create a custom field, set the field type as text, and label it VAT ID. This way, customers can enter their VAT ID during registration. Now, let's see how it works. I'll fill out the registration form as a new wholesaler. After submitting the form, the request appears under Wholesaler Requests. As an admin, you can review the details and approve or reject the request. Once approved, the user will receive an email, and their wholesaler account will be activated. Under Product Settings, you can hide wholesaler-only products from regular customers or show only wholesale products to your B2B customers. This ensures a personalized shopping experience for both retail and wholesale buyers. To manage product visibility, go to Products, Edit Product, and scroll down to the Product Data section. Go to the Wholes tab in the Product Data section. Under Product Visibility, Choose who can see this product. Everyone. Wholesalers only. Retailers only. Wholes comes with several additional features to enhance your B2B store experience. Let's take a quick look at some of these options. Guest access restriction. You can hide prices for guest users or non-wholesale customers. Dynamic rules. Create advanced pricing rules, including discounts, fees, and buy one, get one offers. These rules can be triggered by conditions like cart total, product quantity, specific items, and customer roles. Request a quote. Allow customers to request quotes for products. Once a request is submitted, it creates a new conversation. Make sure the conversation feature is enabled to use this option. Conversation. Enable this option to let customers start a conversation with the wholesaler directly from their My Account page. Wallet. Allow customers to pay using a wallet system for easier and faster transactions. Message and email notifications. Customize email templates for both admin and customer notifications. You can also personalize the thank you message for successful orders. Design settings. Customize styles for retailer prices, wholesale prices, and save amounts to match your brand's look and feel. That's a quick overview of Wholes, your complete solution for managing wholesale pricing and B2B stores in WooCommerce. Start exploring these options today and take your business to the next level. Visit our website for detailed documentation or reach out to support if you have any questions.